Success, or failure, begins in your head. How you adapt to challenges is up to you. But if you find you get stuck in the negative mindset, here are simple tricks to reset your mindset. The boring equals bankable. To build a successful affiliate business is to commit to the daily tasks that drive traffic and improve conversions. Stick to the basics. Delayed gratification is a superpower in affiliate marketing. Front-loaded effort and patience can pay off big in very little time. Continuous learning is a necessary part of any successful affiliate marketing business. Be willing to invest time in keeping your skills up to date. Avoid spending too much money on your affiliate marketing business. Be strategic, spend on training and necessary tools only. Avoid buying systems and software that promise instant results. They don't work and will only suck your wallet dry. Keep calm when things don't go right. Take a breath, re-access and make the changes that need to be made. Always provide your audience with value, answer their questions, offer them information that solves their problems. Give before you expect to get. This builds trust and long-term loyalty. Get off to a fast start. Pick up our free affiliate marketing blueprint. Link is in the description below.